nyiswa pachi kotendegi magi mwaikoni udhiao makauno machili. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kone ogai marazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga mondo were kod chenro mag bago ng'anyo pacho kani mar ng'anyono kelo lal mag ngima kod oganda kuo mag mwandu kod lal mathoth. Ruto koni mise kuom karamo kuom weche mazimio dwaro ne oyie chiwo thuolo maloso chenro mag chuogo duol matao yiero pacho ka IBC okalo kweyor twak mar od bura. Kata kamano jatend piny Kenya kolieko pogo lemo mag piny owacho kod kweth maketo piny owacho tetre.
I have carefully listened to the issues raised by my friend, the Honorable Raila Odinga. In times like this, it is not about who is right or who is wrong. Like Winston Churchill said, I dare say, and I quote, "Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak, but it is also what it takes to sit down and listen." I have always been ready to engage Kenyans of all walks of life, including elected and appointed leaders from across the political divide and the religious fraternity, on how to make our country better and prosperous. And in the last 6 months, I have talked to many religious leaders. I have talked to many elected leaders from across the political divide. My door still remains open for honest, objective, and sincere deliberations based on the rule of law and the Constitution. The IEBC selection panel and the future process of recruitment of its commissioners could as well be part of a conversation leading to constitutionally and legally binding proposals through a bipartisan parliamentary process. I do not think there is any deliberate attack on the media. And if there was such deliberate attack on the media, I can tell you we would be opposed to it and we would not support it, and we would actually deal with it, because we believe that the media should be left to carry out its duties, its broadcasts, irrespective of how unfair they may be.